All right, we are outside today. It is a lovely day outside. So we have come out to drive Brennan's Redcat, his RC car. He's been waiting a long time to drive this. We got the battery fully charged. So this is the Redcat Blackout. He doesn't have the body on it because we lost the clips, the body clips, to hold it down. But we just ordered new clips off of Amazon last night, so when those come in, we'll get his body back on. But this thing's four-wheel drive, super quick. Here's his remote. Flip open the lid. It's got all the little gauges and gadgets on the inside here. So Brendan's going to turn it on, and we're going to drive it around a little bit. We also made a ramp way back there that we'll take it off of. So here we go. Like I said, this thing is super quick. Oh yeah. Looks like he's gonna head to the ramp. Oh! I mean, this thing is fast. Woo! Oh! And there's Annie. Let's get this thing jumped. Just missed it. That was nice, bro. That was nice. There's also a little spot over here that Brandon likes to ramp on. It's at the end, the side of the driveway. He likes to make it climb up the rock, the gravel. It's pretty cool. He's ready for us. Oh, no problem. No problem. Kicking up rock. He's a beast. Woo! Yeah, this thing's cool. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, these things, we got ours off of Amazon on the Cyber Monday deal or Black Friday deal. And, I mean, I think we got it for less than $100. And it's regularly about 140. So, I mean, it's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the price. Nice. You want to show them on the gravel how fast it goes? Or on the concrete? Okay. This thing is awesome, isn't it? Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Jeez, and like that, it's gone. Lord! Oh, that was awesome. Yeah. That was awesome. Yeah. I mean, this thing is so fast. Let me watch. It's going to be gone. And it's gone. Four-wheel drive. Makes it really fun so it doesn't get stuck. Jeez, it kicked up rock and hit the trash can. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better day either. I mean, it feels wonderful out here. It's almost 50 degrees. Jeez. God, that turn is awesome. I mean, he kicks up rock. It'll look a lot better once it gets the body on it. Oh! Oh, it landed. It landed. I'm gonna stand over here so when he does that turn, I'm gonna get some footage of it. God, did you hear it burn out from way over here? That's a car. That's an RC car. Here we go. Oh, God! That was cool. That was cool. I better go over here. My luck, a rock will hit the lens or something and crack it. Oh, that was cool. You hit that little mini ramp right there. Whoa. That was cool. This thing's pretty cool, man. This thing is pretty cool. Whoa. And there she goes. Jeez. Did it land? Did it land? Nope, didn't land. He's gonna turn it over. I can't wait to get the clips tomorrow. It looks a lot better with his body on it. Now that was cool, bro. That was cool. What do you think?
Cool.
Oh, this thing is so fast, it's crazy. I mean, it's not like a super expensive truck either. And it's super quick. I mean, it's not like, you know, they have like the Traxxas trucks or the E-Maxes. I remember those when I was younger, and I've seen a lot of people have those, and I mean, those are $500 trucks, some of them. And you know, this one was under $100, and it's awesome. Oh, missed the ramp completely. We got to work on his driving skills a little bit. Oh, hit his own foot. Woo! Oh, there we go. Nice jump, baby. I mean, it is hot. I'm in a coat, and I need to take it off. It is warm out here. And it is the 23rd of December. Oh, no problem, man. That four-wheel drive helps it out a lot. Nice ramp. Oh, nice. It's starting to slow down a little bit. I like it. I like when it kicks the leaves up. That looks pretty cool, how they like fly up in the air. Oh, drive over that. Drive over that. Oh, no problem. No problem. Can't really do burnouts anymore. Battery's dying. Luckily, we have a charger that's it's a quick charger, so it'll charge the batteries up a lot faster than one that comes with the the truck. So a charger came with it, but it'll take all day to charge. But we went and bought like an aftermarket separate little quick charger that'll charge it, I don't know, in a couple hours or maybe even an hour. So that definitely helps. All right, I would just pick it up. You're gonna waste your battery gunning it. Oh, that twig was on it, I think. Nice. Oh, she's dying on us. Battery's running low. Look at the concentration. Nice turn. I mean, it's still, even when the battery is like super low, it's still awesome. Here she comes back down. I mean, it's still faster than your average RC car you would find at a retail store. Not saying there's anything wrong with those, but we've had a lot of those too. I've had a lot of those. A lot of my best trucks came from there, but I never had one like this when I was young. But that's just because they didn't have them. All right, well, it looks like Brennan ran out of battery, so we're gonna go inside and charge this baby up, and I'm sure we'll be out here soon because, like I said, it is an awesome day out here. I'm gonna have to take this coat off when we come out again because it's only, I mean, it's still late morning, early afternoon, mid-morning, mid-afternoon. I mean, it's not even 11:30 yet, so it's only gonna get warmer. All right, well, we'll check you guys later. Bye.